We're making a start with some news that's breaking this minute. The latest update coming in from the CWC meeting that is there. Sources there indicating that Sonia Gandhi has offered resignation during the CWC meeting. Meanwhile, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh urged Sonia Gandhi to continue as the party chief. Now, these are, of course, inside details now coming in of the crucial Congress meet that is underway at this point. And we're given to understand, according to sources now, that Sonia Gandhi has offered to resign as the interim Congress president during the CWC meet. Meanwhile, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh urges Sonia Gandhi to continue as the party's chief. Let me go across to our Deputy News Editor, Meenakshi Banja, who's joining us live, getting us all those big updates now coming in. Meenakshi, clear political and leadership crisis right now that we're looking at in the Congress camp. Take us through the details, what you're picking up, the inside details of what's happening in the CWC meet.
Well, Apurva, a very warm welcome to you and also all our viewers joining us at top of this hour. As we had showcased on Mirror Now last evening, that is how it is transpiring at the CWC. At the outset, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi joining the virtual conferencing meet, which is currently underway. And at the outset, she has offered her resignation. There was a letter that has been read by Congress General Secretary in charge, Mr. K.C. Venugopal, which was informing all the other CWC members of her desire to be relieved of her duties and responsibilities as Congress president. And remember, she's also said in this particular communication that she wishes for the process of selection of a new Congress president to begin. This is something that we had also showcased last evening on Mirror Now. And like you rightly mentioned, at the meeting, there are several top tier leadership of the Congress who are present, including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, two times former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and like you rightly mentioned, he was one of the first people to urge Mrs. Sonia Gandhi to stay on. So clearly this is playing out as per the news breaks that we brought to our viewers last evening. Mrs. Sonia Gandhi at the CWC informing all the members of her desire to be relieved of her responsibilities and duties as Congress president, and also informing them to begin the search for a new Congress president. That was the communication that has been read out just moments back by Mr. K.C. Venugopal to all the other CWC members. Clearly, Apurva, we have seen a lot of support and voices and chorus building across India from various Congress, cross sections, be that state units of the Congress to other leaderships of the Congress, including serving chief ministers from Mr. Bhupesh Baghel to Mr. Ashok Gehlot to also Captain Amrinder Singh. So there was this thing in the air which perhaps they suspected and smelled and had moved in last evening onwards. So the big question now will be what will emerge as outcome of this CWC? Will Mrs. Gandhi be persuaded to stay on till an alternate mechanism is put in place? Will Mr. Rahul Gandhi be persuaded to assume charge as the Congress president, as these voices within the Congress seem to suggest? Because remember, what we have been breaking to our viewers all along is that they have been beseeching upon Mrs. Sonia Gandhi to continue or have a Gandhi member at the helm of the Congress to continue the leadership of the Congress party. So if not Sonia Gandhi, they are all batting for Mr. Rahul Gandhi to assume command of the Congress. Back to you.
Absolutely, and Meenakshi, as you said, it is going to be extremely crucial to see the outcome of this very, very crucial CWC meeting that is underway. But it is very clear that the Congress camp is also split right in the middle, because there are, of course, camps which are right now looking at the outcome as well. Now, with regards to the camp that is backing Sonia Gandhi to continue as the interim president, who all are we looking at in that camp?
Apurva, one thing we must underline for our viewers, the so-called camp in the Congress is pertaining to only one aspect, whether there should be a Gandhi at the helm of affairs or not. Whosoever is batting for Sonia Gandhi is also open and agreeable to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, because that has been the statement from serving chief ministers of Congress ruled states, right from Mr. Gehlot to Mr. Baghel to even Captain Amrinder. They have all said that Mrs. Gandhi should continue, but in the eventuality party that she no longer wishes to continue. We are urging on Congress to Mr. Rahul Gandhi to assume charge as Congress president. So there is no ambiguity that the issue here is whether or not a Gandhi family member should be leading the Congress or not. So that is the moot point on which there has been this purported 23 congressmen, their disgruntlement, so-called disillusionment with the party that has brought the party to this juncture at the present CWC. And they are the ones who have been batting for structural and organizational changes. They have been wanting for the Congress president to be more visible on ground per se. But clearly we have seen an outweighing of their point of view by the sheer volume of support that has trickled in favor of the Gandhi family to retain the leadership of the Congress. So there is no ambiguity that if not Sonia Gandhi, they're all batting for Mr. Rahul Gandhi, rather a person of the Gandhi family to only be at the helm of the leadership of the Congress party.